Hey everyone, I've got a couple new diecasts this week. First up, the new Ford Bronco. This is by GT Spirit, sealed resin of course. Now the Bronco comes in a few iterations, 2-door, 4-door, different trims, wild track, badlands, different drivetrains. To me the cool one is the base EcoBoost 4-cylinder with a 7-speed stick, but you can also get a twin-turbo V6. That one is automatic only. So anyway, so GT Spirit does the best color that this is offered in. I think it was called Cyber Orange. My main complaint, the tires. Due to the shape, which is probably accurate, they look kind of toyish when they don't have any lettering on them. I don't know if you have a similar opinion when you see it on camera. Oh, looks a little toyish. Good paint, good windows for resin. The two-tone interior is nice from what you can make out. It does have a closed grille, which I find disappointing for GT Spirit. I mean, this is currently also made by Maisto, and so I want to see this be far superior to a Maisto offering. And I don't know if it's superior enough. You have your simulated beadlock wheels. Under chassis, this is car number 521 out of, I think, 999. There's a little bit more detail under here than usual. They actually painted the whole exhaust system sets. It's kind of nice. Retail 129-ish. I lucked out and just won it on eBay for no good reason for $64. At that price, I'm not mad at it. The packaging is the typical closed box with styrofoam. Nothing special there. So next up we've got a Chevy K5 Blazer, proper old school in comparison, and you know, actual diecast in comparison. So I thought it would be a nice contrast. This is Acme, who typically winds up using older tooling from a variety of sources, but here it is. It does have a removable top, which is nice. You do have carpeting. The front passenger seat folds up, which is also nice. Spare tire. Tailgate goes down. Ignore the dog freaking out behind me. He's having a good time. Interior detail is good. I don't know if you can make out the detail on the scale seat belts is pretty awesome. Looks like it has the period correct like GM logo on the seat belt buckles, which is cool. The engine detail is pretty good. Notice the scale hinges instead of big dog legs. This would have been some variety of small block Chevy V8. Could even be a 2-barrel for all I know. The grille has some photo etched detail, which looks very nice. Very convincing on the front end. Underneath, it's not like Highway 61 where if you spin the rear wheels it spins the drive shaft. I always thought that was kind of a cool detail. Car number 0791 from what I can read. I think maybe it's a run of about 1,000. Again, pretty neat. Retail about 150-ish. This was on sale at Replicars, who still has a pretty good deal right now on Acme stuff. But it was on sale for like $69, $79. Certainly wasn't mad at that price. I think that's a lot of nice diecast for the money. You actually have a nice full color enclosed box, which has a write-up of all the details. Its car number was 791 at 1452. I don't know why they get such arbitrary build runs of odd numbers, but yeah, it's nice to actually get a rundown of the features in case there's anything I missed. But yeah, that's it. So that's it for this week. It's been an exciting week. I finally took delivery of my Blackwing. I'm going to have to do a video of it. I have to break it in. It's kind of cool. It has a red line of 4,500 RPM on the tack until I break it in 500 miles. So that's what I'll be doing this weekend. So a video will be coming soon. Thanks a lot, everyone. Have a good week. Please like and subscribe.